Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, we want to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now typically you would be looking for the power saver, power saving mode, whatever it's called, but here ASUS decided to be quirky and absolutely annoying and they name it X mode. Now this is part of Armor Crate, and what it is, it's just a mode to, for instance, increase performance of your device for gaming purposes, and it's also where you find the actual power saving mode. So in here you can see we have the dynamic, which comes with an absolutely annoying sound. Why? It's a power saving mode, so just stop. So in any case, we have the dynamic, which is basically the default state. This tries to be basically jack of all trades, master of none. The X mode is basically the overclocking boost for gaming, which should increase performance. And then opposite to that one, we have the ultra durability, which will be the, as you can see, battery endurance. So this tries to preserve as much battery life as possible, sacrificing on some other things which are shown here in this kind of like graph. Once you choose it, select apply. And that's it. It should be now enabled, but you can actually see right here we do have an icon that signifies that it is right now running. Now to turn it off, you would just navigate back to your settings right here, again change it back to dynamic, select apply, and that's it. And as you've seen, by having it set on something like ultra durable, even though this is a power saving mode, it does not give you the toggle to turn it off quickly right here, because why would it, I guess. So you need to go to additional steps just to get rid of it, which, again, for as many options as we have right here, a lack of quick toggle on and off is just baffling. But in any case, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.